Yo, what's up, guys? We're here at day 2 of Formula D. I didn't vlog yesterday just because it wasn't as much going on. Finally made it. Yes, I drove the 240. She's looking badass as ever. We got Mauricio from SC Factory, but he's not in the SC today. He actually just took a daily because it has AC. Smart man. No AC, not smart. But badass regardless. There's gonna be a lot of badass classes. I'm retarded. There's gonna be a lot of badass cars around, you know what I mean? Just look around the parking lot. One of my favorite things I do is just, you know, check out all the people's, everybody's builds. But anyway, guys, that's Dennis. You know, he's from Boss Inc. He's our main sponsor for our body and everything. That's his friend right there. I'm sorry, I didn't get your name exactly. Sergio. What's up, Sergio? And you guys already know Mauricio, you know what I mean? Yes, it's sad he didn't bring an SC, but he has some things coming up, so we're gonna keep that secret until it actually happens, right?
Sure.
Sure. He sounds disappointed. Yeah, we'll get some more clips. I'll come out here during the next break or whatever, and we'll walk around and get some cars, get some footage of everybody's personal builds. But as of right now, we're a little late, so we want to go and check out what's going on. So see you guys in a second. We're just waiting on this guy, you know.
2 hours later.
2 hours later.
Shut up! I was trying to, you know, I was working on some stuff.
All right, well, here it goes. We're a little late, but we're gonna make this happen. All right, guys, we just got to our spot. We're about to watch the first, not the first tandem, but the first tandem that we're gonna see when we get here. Actually, one driver that I was looking at a lot yesterday was performing great. He's in the BMW, and then obviously the Viper should perform fairly well. 1,400 horses, you know, out of the freaking real wheels. So this should be exciting, guys. We're doing like little intermission or whatever, small break session, and we're walking around checking everything out. Basically having fun, fucking around with people and meeting people, networking, and saying what's up to some of the friends that are chilling around. So check it out, guys.
I actually almost picked one up. Just like that. Yeah. But I mean, I almost got one of these with the kind of same thing as
signed by Ken. Alright guys, that's the end of Formula D. Chris Forsberg for the win. That was pretty badass. 2 favorite drivers got knocked out, you know, King Gooch and Yoshihara. I think that's it, right? Yeah. So that sucks. Other than that, you know, they didn't podium, or Gooch didn't podium, so I was a little disappointed with that. But it was still some really badass tandems, some really good event. And can't complain. Dude, there's just this longest line ever, everywhere.
Ever.
It's gonna take at least an hour to get out of here. Ooh, what's that? Rosa Corsa Red? Yeah. But yeah, we'll do a little quick walk around the S13, looking badass as always. Look at those hips. Ooh, ooh. So super happy. It was nice meeting some friends out here, catching up with some old friends haven't seen in a few years. You know, had fun out here with the boys. Hey, I can't see anybody behind me. There we go. So it was fun, guys. Thanks everybody for showing up, coming out. I know he's hiding. He's like a hermit over here. Look at that guy. You know, he doesn't look happy. But all right, don't forget to tune in for the next time, or tune in next time for the next vlog, and you know, we'll see you around. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Make sure to smash that like button.
You heard him, bro. Smash that like button, subscribe. Peace out, guys.